Despite Samsung's efforts to keep their new phone under wraps, leaks about the Galaxy S24 have emerged, much like previous models. Unofficial sources have unveiled initial images of the basic model, displaying color options like yellow, violet, graphite, and silver. These images indicate a close resemblance between the Galaxy S24 and its predecessor, the S23, though with a flatter frame and minor design tweaks. The back of the Galaxy S24 showcases a glass panel with gently curved edges, offering a subtle bend instead of a sharp 90-degree angle, a design reminiscent of 2.5D glass. True to Samsung's style since the Galaxy S23, the cameras feature metal rings and individual cutouts. While the visual changes might seem subtle, the Galaxy S24 appears refined and upgraded compared to its forerunner. The flat frame could potentially contribute to a distinct tactile experience separate from the Galaxy S23. Samsung isn't solely focused on the S24's aesthetics. They're also dedicated to enhancing other aspects of this flagship. Rumors suggest groundbreaking AI capabilities, more powerful chipsets, and displays that could exceed 2,500 nits in brightness. Regarding processors, speculations hint at the Exynos 2400 in select markets and an overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for US models. RAM and storage options may vary, potentially starting from 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage for the base model. The S24 is expected to sport a 6.2-inch LTPO OLED display with a variable refresh rate and improved brightness compared to its predecessor. The standard model might offer charging speeds of 25 watt, while the Plus and Ultra variants could support up to 45 watt charging. Battery capacities are anticipated to vary from 4,000 mAh to 5,000 mAh among the models. Despite Samsung's silence on the official launch date and location for the Galaxy S24 series, earlier rumors point to a possible unveiling at an Unpacked event in San Jose, California on January 17th. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.